Hi guys! Welcome to our channel! Si Denise Mary's Journey. Anyway, we are wet, soaking wet from traveling, from the rain of course, and now we're eating our lunch.
Dinner, finish.
Lunch and dinner. In a very cute restaurant. A very clean one. What? Not in it.
But it is not here.
They don't have. Na. You're eating squash. No. Rice and squash. And then we have palaya, bangus, and then soup. And then
Ahus.
ahos. We're very we're wet. But now we're eating na lang kay.
Good morning. Here we are on our first day at the last hotel, waiting on breakfast. Here it comes, 5 a.m.
It's okay.
5
It's okay.
to 7. And this lovely hotel is very late to serve breakfast here at this time.
5 to 7.
5 o'clock. Yeah, it's very early. First hotel in the world that I know that I've been to that serves breakfast between 5 and 7. It's normally between maybe 6 and 10. But
Sige na, mag-eat na ta.
looks good.
Ala, ang langaw. Ugoy.
Okay, speak to you later, folks. It's a lovely day here in the hall.
Dinis, dali na. Halain anak, dahil nga bula. Doon sa akong pagkaong David ron. Anyway. Palutpot. Ako lang nang i-guide.
Below for me.
Bulad.
Inyo ni mo?
Oh, si iya, gibutang niya, lalaki. Dinis, mag-eat na tanak. Oh, eat na, sige na. Egg with bulad. Sige, mag-eat na ta. Let's show them.
Yeah, wow, look. And this is for our daughter.
And this is the egg.
And this is the egg. Nice.
This is the egg. You made it the nest.
That's not egg. What do you call it?
An egg.
Egg. An egg. Rambutan.
So until 7 o'clock tonight.
Who that guy?
From
7 to 7?
5.
5 to 7?
Yeah.
So it's fruit eating time.
This is an egg that I'm eating.
Ieng. It's not egg lagi. What we have here? Banana,
Yummy.
tomato,
Juicy.
lansones, kainit.
Asking for a
Wow.
cup of even that one.
That one, oh, there's hot water.
There, that's cold.
Oh. Kainit.
Lay awake. Tried all my different rolls. Mine was buzzing. Stinking. You know what? Even if I didn't get anything for anything, and I got your 3 million, 2.5 million.
Ay, ay, that's like video.
There's rambutan.
Show them. You cannot see your face.
Move your face in. Look what she's got.
Rambutan.
I think it's with it.
You like it?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Get another bit of G, honey. Bet you better get.
You have one already.
I've got I have a 2.
Oh dear.
Oh my.
Ay nak. That's the this is the last of the rambutan nak.
Egg.
An egg.
Out to this. That's right. Now open this.
Show them.
Eggs. I couldn't eat the egg with the chicken side.
Yeah.
Show them the swimming pool. Look, what happened?
Then the deck.
Oh. Kuya is cleaning the swimming pool,
Deck.
cleaning the decking. Wow.
And he's having a shower.
Go and ask her. And knife. They've got knives and forks.
Yeah, borrow knife.
But I had that much further
Sige lang, it's okay.
Yeah, but what not?
So that's daddy. Peeling the pomelo. It's red, I'm sure inside. I hope so. Because it's not cheap.
Huh?
Ayo ko no. Dayon. Abiyong ni ayo. Daddy. Oy, daddy is eating. Ay, kahalang garlic, oy.
She looks like an older version of what's her name? Grace's daughter. The young one. Oh. I got news for you.
Bag.
Succeeded.
My chicken.
Ay. It's okay. Take it back, okay? Ah, because you pee in it.
It's a pizza banana.
Oh no.
Mum, got a plate. Use that plate and I'll put that. If you put that on there, I'll use.
Go away, skills.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pomelo.
The real deal.
It's really sweet.
ready, Mom.
Naunsa bang kanak? Naghubo na. We'll wipe it out. We'll wash it when we go in. Okay? Si cooking kay ang fly. Dali, oh. Pomelo, oh. Pomelo. You like? Yummy.
What's James doing there?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Morning. Once
You
again.
only see your face, ha? You have to show that. Nah. You get this one.
Just taking out the. As we've been saying in Scotland, the in. That's the eye.
Show them. They didn't see it yet.
There. The eye.
Okay.
The eye.
Dali na natin.
I don't like the eye. Yes. The eye.
Nako.
And then you can get a chain around your neck and you could hang this, you know, like that, you know. Are you videoing? Like that, see? And it's cool. And then you could always tell a fishy story. I won't say the other one, but okay. Then take off the head, or in Scotland they would say the head. Take off the head, the head, and then the secret is crunch it, mash it up.
You want this?
No.
You don't want to eat? Eat rice because of salty. That's supposed to be for your dried fish.
Is it water?
No, it's vinegar. Dennis, what's wrong?
Stick it in some
Because daddy is
vinegar. Yummy. Okay.
Yeah, may bulad, may tumi. What? Ah,
Mom,
that's right.
can I?
Yeah.
And also,
Ah,
not forget
something like the cover.
garlic.
Don't try to daddy is doing.
Because no mosquito bites. Right, stop it. Bye for now.